Hi everyone, my name is Martin Peterson. I'm the CEO of the Hypno Academy. I've gathered a handful and then some inductions that I want to show you guys and what to expect from this exclusive workshop that has only to do with fast speed inductions. Not only will you learn my induction formula, but also numerous of different approaches of how to do inductions, how to get them to work within 10 seconds, how to do the fastest pre-talk, and how to do all the safety work also. So take a look at this video, pay some close attention, and there will be a lot of what you're gonna learn on this workshop. Enjoy. Sleep. Just like that. Sleep.
It is my first time here.
Det er sleep. Lige sådan, han kan godt helt stille. Så, helt afslappet. Ja, lige præcis så.
I think